and I'm just thinking. I've been looking at a lot of social media posts and comments and stuff about what the mother of my child has been saying. So, awokala Kelly Nonhlanhla ngifake ibuku ukuthi because I understand what you're trying to do. Ngizama ukuyibhekisisa kahle, ngizama ukuyibuka kahle, ngibone into lezama ukuyenza. But firstly, I'd like to thank you for raising up my boy at a time that I couldn't, when I was locked up. I'd like to thank you for being a great mother, Guye. And I'd like to thank you for being present when I was not there and when I was still trying to get up on my feet. However, I don't like Lento Lewe Nzayo. Don't do that and lie about me and assassinate my character. Besengimangele ukuthi unyaka ngaphela ungathi shoot this, shoot that, shoot this, shoot that. Yabo? Stop it. Angithanda things. Don't do it. I shoot this, shoot that. Stop it. Mhlandla. Yekela lento leyo ukuthi mawubheke uboy uthi ukhumbuza mina. So bigger boy with anger. What do you think my son is thinking when he grows up and starts looking at the videos that you've been making, talking about his father like that and blah blah and blah blah? Angifuna ukukhuluma okuningi and whatnot. Kelly, you and I both know what court is like. Angithi ukuthi yababa, yabanda, it's hard. It's hard for the bosoms. So I don't want to be putting my boy through that. Going to court, afana no mama no baba going to court. I don't want to do that. You know how many times I've tried to get a hold of you to try and get a boy. Number two, you know how many times your sister Okumete and your mother have been trying to talk about indaba yokuthi boy sigeslangane aze ngibe the freedom yokuthi ngibone boy. Angazi why ulokubambezele uboy umfake ebhodleleni ngathi AI umcontroller nje ngathi uChristians usebhodleleni. Ngiyakela ukwenza ingane yami iAI kill. Stop it, man. Stop it. It's not nice, it's not fair. Let uboy come back. Ungathi I'm a deadbeat dad. Uyahamba uyabula ama podcast nyana la wakho ukhuluma ngami. I understand ukuthi makhuluma ngami obviously izoba then wonke umuntu ondlingane bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi ondlingane bayondliwa bona. Were they ever want that bazongena indaba engasiza mina ngisifaka endabeni zabantu ngiyafakwa. There's a difference. So don't do that. So many times I've wanted to pay damages. So many times I've wanted to get Moses. So many times I've wanted to do the right things. You've been locking me out. And Kelly, from the time Sase jail, I would bring a coin. From the time I was locked up, I've been sending gifts to Efoslo every Christmas, every December, every birthday. You know what Christian's first gift was. I used to send Pablo to come and drop them off. I've got receipts to prove it. Or 2014. So please, don't make me look like a deadbeat father. I'm alive, I'm kicking. I've been wanting Christian. Christian has never hlula at me. I've even gone on podcasts and done all those things. I've made wrong mistakes trying to get people to help me. So yekela nje ukuloko uza kimi kana manje uhluphana nabantu basilele emzini yabantu uchupwe useless. That's fine if I'm useless, it's okay. Please bring boy, because we did try to go to court, did we not? You rejected that. Your moodly lawyer Lowe Kula, you and her ignored us. I do not want to go that way. So stop making me a deadbeat father. It's not right. Stop it. Stop it. thank you very much for taking care of a Christian. Can I please have my son back? I'm live and kicking. He's not AI. Maybe, you know, whatnot. Stop making him AI uboy wam. Let boy man. Vuda gate aphume uboy. Danko kid. Ngayes lento le. So you've blocked private calls so that you can see the number. I just True call or something, caller ID can show what it is now, but it's not answering the phone or whatnot. You know, the most painful thing, Kelly, is driving to Christian school and parking outside. And waiting and just looking at your son grow every day, and you just park there and you just watch him. And you can't do anything about it because then my son will get shouted at, he'll be abused, can't take him for ice cream, can't take him for anything, can't call him freely. It's the most painful thing ever. Because the fact of the matter is that Ningani says this is 2 hours, Kamelanga when I said this is 2 Ngani. Not asking for full custody, I'm just asking to be present in my boy's life. That's all. Try and see what it'll be like to jump in a shower, get True call or something, caller ID can show what it is now. Boy's not answering the phone or whatnot. You'll see my son and you don't get to talk to me. You just park there and you just watch him. But it's cool. God is at play. Don't make me look like a deadbeat father. And those soccer boots that he's wearing, just ask him where you got them from. Ask him where you got the soccer boots from. Because I love the way he plays. I watch him. The cleans are nice, ne? Ask him where you got those soccer boots from. And please don't now go and shout at Christian or take the soccer boots and throw them away. Don't do that. Don't do that. And stop every time when you look at Christian or that. Because you got anger issues, kid. You got anger issues. Don't go and shout at Christian anymore. And please, you're gonna stop going around talking about me, man. It's tired. My followers, my fans, my people that support me, they're also tired, you know? So, so don't do that, man. Let's just be with boy, raise him up. I'm Jojo. And let's just co-parent nicely. I think it's time, don't you think? Okay, sharp.